Hello traders, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, bonjour, bonsoir, mes amis, guten Morgen, guten Tag, guten Abend. For those of you who are new to us, we are the CCI Pro Traders. And our website is www.dprotraders.com. The title of the video is Learn to Master the CCI Indicator, Step 3. Alright? In this video, we want to learn to master one specific aspect of the commodity channel index indicator or the CCI indicator. Alright? When the indicators becomes overbought and oversold. In step 2, we were combining the commodity channel index indicator with the Bollinger Band. In this video, we will combine the overbought and oversold CCI with support and resistance levels. Alright, so we want to master the commodity channel and know the correlation between the commodity channel index or the CCI indicator with support and resistance levels. This is very, very important for traders to understand if they are using the CCI indicator. All right, the CCI stands for Commodity Channel Index. All right. So I want to show you something here on this. I'm on a weekly chart, and I'm using the Commodity Channel Index or the CCI indicator period 14. All right. The general rules, okay, if a momentum oscillator such as the stochastic, the RSI indicator or the relative strength index indicator or the CCI indicators becomes overbought, is telling us that the price is at a resistance zone. So whenever you see a technical indicators like the CCI indicator being overbought above the level of a positive 100, is telling us that the price is warning us that the price is at a resistance levels. Remember that. This will allow you to avoid trading mistakes. Alright? So a technical indicator or a technical oscillator or CCI indicator being overbought is equal to the price being at a resistance level. If you remember that, if you understand that, you will not fall into the trading pitfall again. All right. When the CCI indicator is oversold, is pointing to us that the price is at a support level. In fact, this is a general rule for all momentum oscillators, such as the relative strength index indicator, RSI indicator, the slow stochastic indicator, and the CCI indicator. So when a stochastic is overbought, it's pointing to us that the price is at a resistance level. When the RSI indicator or the relative strength index indicator is overbought, it's pointing to us that the price is at a resistance level. When the CCI indicator is overbought, it's pointing to us that the price is at a resistance level. On the other hand, when the CCI indicator is oversold, is pointing to us that the price is now at the support levels. We will draw the support level or the resistance level, the corresponding support and resistance level, alright? And we will monitor the price. If the price breaks above the resistance level and find the support, though the CCI is overbought, we can look for opportunity to buy. We will use the top-down trading method that will form, CCI being overbought is a trading setup. CCI being oversold is a trading setup. We will now use a top-down trading method or a multiple time frame trading method, to trade. All right. So let's demonstrate or verify this observation here on the chart. Okay. So here you can see I draw this first line here. I'm going to color it now into turquoise. Okay, the first line, the turquoise. Okay, that's the first horizontal line. And I'm also going to change the color of this into turquoise. Alright. Pay attention carefully. So you see the turquoise line. So the price went up to this point, to the turquoise line and they find a resistance there and change the direction. So our horizontal turquoise line is what? A resistance level. Okay? So I draw another line here. I will color it now into green. Here it is. The price, you can see the price went up again and changed direction here, changed direction a little bit here. Is also a resistance level. So the green line is also a resistance level. But when we are talking about resistance level, a resistance level can also become a support level if the price breaks above that resistance level and find a support. That resistance level can be converted into a support level. Okay, so when we are talking about support level, a support level can become also a resistance level if the price D below that support level and they find a resistance, okay, at the support level. So that support level will be converted into a resistance level if the price D below it and it fail to go back above it. Okay. So I draw my two lines, the turquoise horizontal line, which is a resistance level, and also the green line, which is also a resistance level. So now I have a two resistance line on my chart. Okay. So now you see I have them here. I want to show you something very interesting. All right. You can see that, okay, here, pay attention carefully to my drawing on the chart. I will explain everything to you. Here, the price was near the green resistance level. Yes or no? She went up. So when we are talking about resistance, the price must go up to the resistance level. When we are talking about support, the price must go down to the support level. So don't get confused. So when the price is going down to the level, we are talking about support. When the price going up to a level, another level, you are talking about a resistance. Okay, so here you see the price went up to the green line. Yes or no? The green line. So you find a resistance there and change direction. Look what the CCI did here. The CCI was overbought. It went above the level of positive 100. Yeah, the 100. It's telling me, George, the price is at a resistance zone. Resistance zone. Which one? So I will look on my chart to find out which resistance the CCI is pointing to me. So which one? It's the green one, this one here. So this resistance was in place before the price rally up to it. So I draw my resistance level, all right? Then I will use a top-down trading method. I will also use the trend line, okay? So the price went down to resistance level. Now a candlestick bar after this, one daily candle is closed below my trend line. That's a bearish trade setup. I will use a top-down trading method, okay? Once again, you can see that the price went up, so we are talking about resistance. It must go up to a resistance, must go down to a support. Here it went up to the green line again, all right, pointing to us, the price at a resistance zone, and you find a resistance there and change the direction. Look again, the CCI is also pointing to us that the price is at a resistance level. All right, you may be wondering, John, what's happened here? All right, okay. Here you can see there's a resistance again here. Can you see this zone? It's a resistance zone. Which one? Because I don't want to draw too many lines on my chart. You see this level here, the price, you see, it's a consolidation session. The price was oscillating here. See here, was oscillating between the turquoise line and the dark green line here. It's a resistance zone. So you can see clearly here that as here is a different one. You can see the price went up near the turquoise one, near the resistance zone. The keyword is zone, okay? Resistance zone, okay? Here it went to resistance zone, okay? The CCI is overbought. Price is in the resistance zone, the dark gray line. The CCI was also overbought, okay? And this one here, price went up to the green line, and the CCI was overbought, okay? We can go on and on, but I don't want the video to be too long. You can see here again, was overbought. The price went up to the dark green line, which is a resistance zone. CCI is overbought. So that's what you need to understand. CCI is overbought, RSI is overbought, momentum oscillator is overbought, stochastic is overbought, pointing to us a resistance zone. We want to now we will draw on the chart which resistance level the indicator is pointing to us. It makes sense? All right. So here again, you can see it went up to the turquoise line. You see, it went up to a resistance level. It went up to a resistance zone. All right. So you see, as he was approaching the resistance zone, see the price was very close to the turquoise line. The CCI was overbought. The price in the resistance zone. I can go on and on and on, draw many lines. See this line here, the price did change direction here. It's a support level. But as the price D below it, D below it, and the final resistance on the edge of it, the CCI was overbought, confirming to us that we are at the resistance zone. So the CCI indicator allows us to navigate through the market and to interpret, okay, the movement of a financial instrument, whether the financial instrument is at a resistance level or at a support level. Okay, here again you can see that the price went up to a resistance, the green line, and the CCI was overbought right here. Okay, again you can draw many lines. You can see the previous support, price went up, so the turquoise line, price D below the turquoise line, and rally up to the turquoise line. Okay, right here. All right, and the CCI was overbought, pointing to us. George, you are at the resistance zone, so you can draw as many lines as you like, and you will see that, okay, what we are talking about is still true. If I move my turquoise line a little bit, you see here, I move it, so you see this rally up, and you see you consolidate here a little bit. This was a resistance zone, okay, touch it here, but look again, all right, as the price was coming, okay, again into, all right, yeah, close to the overbought, okay. The price came near the turquoise line. CCI was close to the overbought zone. Alright, it makes sense. Again here, the same level. Here, overbought, CCI is overbought. Price rally up to the green line, and the CCI is overbought. Overbought means that the price is in a resistance zone. The opposite is also true. So here we are combining the oversold and overbought CCI with the support and resistance level. In the previous video that we call Learn to Master the CCI Indicator Period Step 2, we were combining the oversold and overbought CCI with the Bollinger Band, okay? So don't get confused. Support and resistance and the CCI indicator. This is Learn to Master the CCI Indicator Step 3. All right? So pay attention carefully again. You see here the price went down to the green line here. You see it went down, so price going down. We are talking about support level. Went down, you find a support here. So here you can see that the price at the support level. Here, this support is a support, yes or no? Okay, it found a support and went up. Okay, so from this point we know that this is a support level. Okay, now the price went down. You see, start going down to the same support zone. Okay, suppose we see here, and the CCI was oversold. Pay attention to the vertical line, okay? Was oversold, okay? Oversold, here this one, okay? Oversold, the price at the support level. Price pulled back, see, went down. So if it's going down, we are talking about support. It went down to the green line again, it's a support level. Whereas the CCI, pay attention to the vertical line, oversold zone. Oversold CCI is oversold when the price is in a support zone. All right. So CCI oversold is pointing to us that the financial instrument is in a support zone. CCI is overbought is pointing to us that the financial instrument or the stock or the currency pair is at a resistance zone. All right. We will draw the resistance level. We will identify the resistance level or the support level, and then we will apply the trading drill. All right. So if the price is at a support zone, but D below the support level and find a resistance, we will sell instead, though the CCI is oversold. On the other hand, if the price, you see here, it was overbought. Here, it was overbought, yes or no, okay? We draw the line, okay? We identify the resistance level, but you see here, it went above the green line, the resistance level, and found a support, and went up. The common trading mistake, or to achieve consistent winning trade, one must not violate the three market pattern: the rising channel, the declining channel, and the horizontal channel. You see that the price was in a rising channel. The CCI was overbought. We don't want to violate, okay, the market pattern. I hope you have learned something from this video also about learn to master the CCI indicator, and we put it to use to improve day trading and swing trading like professional traders. We are the CCI Pro Traders talking about learn to master the CCI indicator, a step free. I invite you now to follow me in the next video when we will talk about learn to master the CCI indicator step 4. We will be talking about the oversold CCI, but from a different angle again. I want to show you something again so you can learn to master once and for all, okay, the CCI indicator. All right? Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the CCI Pro Traders talking about learn to master the CCI indicator step 3. See you in the next video. Speak to you soon.